Hey, what's up everyone? Mike here with the watch list video for Monday, December 11th. Horizontal line right there. Look at the SPY. It's breaking out to, I believe, 52-week highs on Friday. I've been saying this very impressive strength. It almost feels like just some shorts caught on the wrong side, and it's sort of a mini squeeze happening in the overall market. If you've ever seen me on social media just bragging about the teamwork in the room, I got a great example from Friday. Kevin DA posted S50, and then Jonathan L reiterated that. I like the S2350 idea, which was right there, which was a two-day high break, well, the way we define it, because it had hit 2350 on Thursday, and then it hit it again, pulled back. So that's what we call that two-day high setup. I got filled at 2354 as it broke. I think I was risking 20 cents. So that is not bad, right? And I got, 90 cents on my final sell. Which is what more than 4R. But the reason I'm showing you this is because I didn't even have S on a chart, so I would have never seen it. So it's like that old commercial, the hair club for men. The guy would say, I'm not only the president, but I'm also a client. That's what I am. This is why I brag about the teamwork. I mean, I own the site, but I make money because I'm in the room using it the way we talk about, right? People always find stuff that maybe I didn't see. So I just absolutely love the teamwork. And there's two people, in case I didn't see Kevin's post, right? Jonathan reiterates it. We see that all the time. So let's keep that going. That is the thing I'm most proud of, that honestly I have nothing to do with, right? Is the teamwork in there. And I don't deserve credit for it. You all do. So anyway, I love catching trades from ideas in the room that I had never even seen. All right, let me throw this up for somebody seeing my video for the first time. Just hit the pause button and read that if you don't know what we're all about. Most of you already do. All right, so speaking of in-play stocks that we want to watch for A-plus setups on Monday, APLD, nice pop, curving up. We'll see if we get a follow-through setup on Monday. CVNA, Carvana, is super interesting. Maybe even over Friday's high, which is 41.34, and you look to the left and you say 42.12 is the next potential catalyst, and then above that probably a bit of a squeeze. There's a lot of shorts in this name. It's a good one to have on watch. JOBY, which is one of the EV TOL stocks. I don't know what that stands for. Electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, right? Whatever. And those are a lot of those charts are starting to look good. Joby is one of them over that kind of horizontal line there. Possible little mini breakout. ACHR, I believe, is another one of those stocks. Kind of broke out of a range on Friday. Certainly worth keeping an eye on. CDT, an interesting chart, had this pop back here to $6.50, and then on Friday to $6 even. So it seems to adhere to whole number and half numbers, right? So it could be what we call a clean trader. Definitely interesting over 6 on Monday, knowing, right, that 650 is another potential catalyst. SMTC had a nice pop on Thursday. I believe on earnings topped out at 2048. Then on Friday, a nice inside day where it topped out at 2037. So I like the looks of that one. And it's got a decent supply of shorts in it, which could be fuel for higher prices, right? Roblox, RBLX, just interesting over that horizontal line there, but it did put in a red day. Maybe needs to go sideways for a bit. PARA, kind of a mini breakout there on Friday. We'll see if we get a continuation setup. SAVA, nice breakout. I actually called a 5-minute buy zone, a 5 buy zone setup in this after it was up here, and it turned right mid-5 buy zone. So hopefully somebody caught that. I was out of the office when it happened like an idiot. Anyway, the daily is kind of interesting, right? Nice pop on Friday, and you got another recent high at 23.44. No, 25.46. Friday's high was 24.84. So that one's interesting. View, VIEW. I got to kind of zoom in to show you this one, but it got a nice pop last week or maybe even a week before, and it's kind of pulling back but starting to try to curl back up. It's kind of a sleeper pick. BMEA, mad at myself, should have had that on bounce watch. If you take Friday's candle out of it, I mean, that's really nice run, and then came back down to here, buy zone, right, on the daily. Anyway, had a massive intraday bounce, met our 30s parameter setup that we teach for those bounce plays. Sadly, I didn't have it on the watch list. But anyway, with that kind of amazing bounce, could easily still continue higher next week. So let's keep that one on watch. ALXO, nice breakout. Maybe a continuation setup. DOCU, D-O-C-U, big gap down, I believe, on earnings, flushed, and then absolutely ripped. So that one could continue higher this week. And then kind of a weird pick, WBUY, just another red day. This thing, a lot of these things are just, they get so ugly that I don't even really want to look at them, but did kind of put in a narrow range on Friday. You guys know I don't hold anything overnight, so I haven't been in this, but certainly getting interesting maybe for a snapback bounce. Certainly not my favorite on the list going into Monday. So we'll do what we always do. We'll add gappers to this list in the pre-market, and let's just keep that teamwork thing going. I'll see you guys in the chat room on Monday.